Which is better, to have the CRM system integrated with the accounting system, or to get the best of each kind even if they don't integrate? Oh, that's a super question. In fact, we had one of our biweekly roundtables in Tier 1 services a number of weeks ago, and I asked that question, not just for CRM or customer relationship management, but in general. Is it better if you have to choose? And that's the key. Let's not overlook that you do have to choose. Maybe you don't have to sacrifice one. Maybe you can have it all. If you have to choose, let's not forget that bit of language. Quality over integration. Which should you go with? And I thought we were going to have a lively debate of half of everybody saying, go for the best that you can. Other half saying, no, integrate, make sure we talk to each other. Boy, was I surprised. Everybody unanimously and almost at the same time said, integrate. So we have people all over our organization in all different roles in an accounting department, all saying it's better to integrate. And I'm going to agree with that. I'm only going to say that there are typically only two exceptions to that. One, if the time saved with the integration really isn't worth it, it really isn't worth the extra features that you're getting in a better system, then go with systems that don't necessarily talk to each other. Example, let's say you have a customer list that doesn't really change that frequently. Let's say you have a low volume, high dollar value business, and maybe you get a new client once a month. It's not necessarily worth it to integrate a CRM system with your general ledger, with your accounting system, if once a month you're adding one name to the list. The time saved, 35 seconds, isn't necessarily worth giving up all the features that you require in your CRM system. Now, maybe there are features that you really use and love. What if you have a Salesforce who's out there and they're in the CRM system with all the details and all the features that it has? And what if you really need some critical financial information? What if they need that at their fingertips anytime? Critical things like, what's their current AR balance? Should we, maybe we shouldn't upsell or cross-sell the ones who currently owe us a lot of money. Maybe we should prioritize people who pay their bills. Maybe total sales to date, inception to date, or total sales in the current year. There could be some critical information that they need from the accounting system that's worth it because it will cause a very high impact change in their decision making. So consider that. The other piece are the features available in the best CRM system so valuable that it's worth it? It's worth it to take the extra time that it might take to integrate or manually update the financial information or the customer list. And if that's the case, then make sure you have a workflow system that continually prompts your accounting department to either update the CRM with critical information or vice versa. So you can have that be not automatic because it's not technological, but let's say recurring and supported by technology for automatic prompts. Oh, it's time to do that weekly thing that we do and make sure the CRM system has all the critical information from the accounting system. And don't overlook that the CRM may have some kind of upload capability or vice versa. You may not have to manually enter information. What if there's no direct integration, but there's a CSV import available? So even if you have to choose between the top quality and the integration, which you may not have to do, but if you do, consider that you might not have to go to the other end of the spectrum and do manual entry. There could be some kind of intermediary step available.